Hello and welcome to Foodie Zest. Today let's make a yummy prawns biryani. So the ingredients required are 250 grams of prawns. I have deveined and cleaned them thoroughly. Then we need some fresh coriander leaves. 1/3 cup of basmati rice. I have washed them and soaked them for half an hour in water. Then for the masala we need 1 big sized onion sliced, 1 big sized tomato chopped, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 2-inch sized ginger, 2 green chilies, and 2 tablespoons of thick curd, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon fennel seed powder, and some whole spices, that is 2 cinnamon sticks and 5 to 6 cardamoms and cloves. Then some plain water, ghee and salt. First let's start making the rice. So into a pressure cooker let's add the soaked basmati rice along with 2 cups of water. Add some salt and some whole spices. We are going to cook this on high flame for 1 whistle. Let's add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. Let's close the cooker and cook the rice. Meanwhile, let's marinate the prawns. Into the prawns, let's add some chili powder and turmeric powder and just marinate it for some time. Into a blender, let's add the chopped garlic, ginger and green chilies. Let's just crush them. You need not make it into a paste. Now that's also ready. Let's start preparing the gravy. First into a pan, add some ghee and heat it. Now let's add the remaining whole spices. Fry them until we get a nice aroma. Then let's add the ginger, garlic and chili paste. Saute them well. The raw smell needs to be gone completely. Now let's add the onions. Add some salt and fry them until they become soft. Let's cover and cook them. Keep stirring it occasionally. Once it's nice and soft, let's add the tomatoes. Give it a mix and again cover and cook until the tomatoes and the onions become mushy. The onions and the tomatoes have cooked well. It's time to add in the spice powders. Let's add coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder and the fennel seed powder. Fry it until the raw smell goes off. And once it's done, let's add the marinated prawns into it. Coat the prawns with the masala by stirring it. Let's cover again and cook it for around 4 minutes. And after 4 minutes, give it a nice mix and let's add the coriander leaves and the curd. Mix them well. And again, let's cover and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, the gravy is perfectly done. The aroma itself is so amazing. Now let's add the cooked rice as a layer on top of the prawns masala. Let's put the flame on the lowest and cover it and cook it for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the flame, and now let's slowly mix the rice and the prawns masala without breaking the grains. Let's add little bit of ghee on top and add some more coriander leaves. If you want, you can add a little bit of mint leaves as well. Now let's transfer this into a serving bowl. Our flavorful prawns biryani is ready. Serve this to your family and enjoy the weekend. Don't forget to share your comments and please press the bell icon for more notifications. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Foodie Zest. Let's meet again with a new recipe video.